KJ gang, and I'm back again with another video. So I'm doing a makeup look, something different. I'm doing a Halloween type theme. So basically I'm just gonna do half of my face pumpkin and the other half glam. So if you like this video, hit the like button, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button and share this video. Hey everyone, I am back. I was recording me making the crack. I was recording me powdering my face, and I realized my camera was off because my phone is full of memory. So I don't know if I should just do the whole makeup look and then record me talking about it and how I did it. I don't know what I should do, but I deleted over 300 things and it says I only have 4 minutes. So right now I have only 4 minutes to talk to you guys. So I think I'm just gonna do my makeup look and then I will record me, I guess, talking about the look I did and what I used and how I did it. So sorry about this video, but I will see you when this face is funny. And I'm back with the finished look. So I did a pumpkin kind of like cracking out into like my glam look on the side over here. Sorry that I couldn't show you guys me doing it. It took me a while. It took me maybe an hour and a half because I want to be really steady with the thin lines, and then I want to make my eye look kind of nice. So now I'm going to be just talking to you about how I did it and showing you the products that I used. So first, I did clean my face with this. Then I used primer from Hard Candy. And then after that, I did take my Hard Candy baking powder and I put it all over my face so that the orange eyeshadow can stick on and be more pigmented, even though it's really pigmented, because I used the palette from Laura Lee Animal Party. I used this orange right here. It's a really nice orange. It came on pretty fast. I used this brush right here, so it packed on really well. After that, I believe I started drawing the cracks with this black eyeliner pencil. I used this first because it eased the smudge off, then to make it darker and sharper and thinner, like the really thin cracks, I used my Wet n Wild eyeliner. After I did that, I believe I started drawing the triangle on my eye. So I did use this again, and then I colored in with the eyeliner. I don't have paint, I don't have creams. Yeah, so that's what I did. And then after I started doing, I think, the lines down my face, which I used the Wet n Wild eyeliner, and then I brushed out some black eyeshadow to make it more like, you know, like, what you call it, like I'm not gonna think about it, but but I used this eyeshadow palette and I used this black right here It's called All Nighter, and I use that for the shading on the crack. I used it on the shading of the lines, and I used it on the shading on my lips. And yes, I used the eyeliner to stretch it out a bit more, color it in, and use that eyeshadow. Then I did my nose with the same eyeliner, and then now with my glam side, I used Milani conceal and foundation 2-in-1, and then I powdered it with my Wet n Wild powder. And after that, I started doing my eyebrows. I used Cella, and I used my Alamari, I guess, eyebrow pencil, and then I concealed it and defined the shape with my where is it? I don't know what it is. With my concealer from Makeup Forever. Then with my eye, I started to use the orange from Party Animal for the transition color. Then I used the same Makeup Forever concealer to make a cut crease. Then from my Crown Pro palette, I used this shimmery white on top to pat it on top of the concealer. And then I also, from the same palette, I also used this copper kind of goldish pink color on my eyelid. Then after that, I used from this palette a black eyeshadow to be in the middle of the transition of the orange and the copper pinkish gold tone eyeshadow. Then I did my fleeky eyeliner with the Wet n Wild, and then I used this gold glitter liquid liner from NYX to put on top of the black eyeliner. Then I went in my Alamari Cosmetics palette and I used this color right here. I think it says El Milcon in the inner corner of my eye, and then I did the orange color from Party Animal underneath my eye. Then with mascara, I used Wonder Beauty, and then the lashes I used is Dramatic Lashes I got at Beauty Supply store. So this is, yes, the look that I have done. I added a little bit of blush from Note. Then with my cheekbone, I used the gold highlighter from Master Chrome Maybelline. And that is all I used to make this look. Oh wait, one more thing, my lips. For lipstick, I used the black NYX liquid lipstick. Now that's all. That's all I did. So I hope you enjoyed this video, even though I couldn't show you me doing it, but I hope you just enjoyed my look in general. So if you did, comment down below and let me know. And give me other suggestions of what other Halloweenish makeup looks to do, because October 1st is like in 4 more days and I want to start doing cool Halloween looks. Nothing like gory because I don't have special effects stuff with me. Like I don't have like the wax and blood and all that stuff, so I could just do stuff like this. So give me like some ideas down below. Share this video, like this video, hit the notification bell and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.